Reklusyon perpetua ang hatol sa mga fraternity brothers ng Aegis Juris. So let's see what his facts are. Today we have Attorney George to share to us ano bang nangyari.
Napatunayan namin, nagpakita kami ng mga CCTV footages, nagpakita kami ng mga pictures, nag-testify ang 6 na testigo at napatunayan namin na yung kliyente namin ay wala doon despite doon sa ebidensyang pinakita namin at sila sa husgado.
Pero talagang pinaghirapan you to get those witnesses, yet they were not given any significance. Attorney is saying that they have evidence that he wasn't there. They have video evidence, not just hearsay, but solid na video that his client wasn't there at all. But it was ignored.